So guys, kakatapos lang natin kumain and sobrang sarap talaga ng pagkain nila. Lalo na yung salted shrimp tsaka yung pampano, the best talaga. So sir, ayun, may any plans ba kayo na magdagdag pa ng more branches dito?
Actually sir, marami tayong plans naman to expand. So currently in the work siya. But for now, we cannot disclose yet kung ansan
Mm.
mga locations natin. Siguro that's something to look out for, no? But rest assured, this is just the beginning of more to come.
So, ayun, thank you sir. So, ayun, may gusto ba kayong sabihin sa mga viewers to invite? Let's invite in here. We are in MOA North Wing, second floor. So guys, punta kayo rito. So, try nyo yung food. Sobrang sulit, sobrang sarap talaga rito sa Social Din soon.
Again, I invite all of the viewers to visit us, Sucho Dim Sum, newly opened at SM Mall of Asia. We're located at Level 2 North Entertainment Mall here in the new wing. So maraming salamat po.
Sir, thank you ulit.
Thank you, sir.
See
Thank
you.
you.